Hi Glomates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, meron na naman tayong pupuntahan dito. Bagong kainan sa BGC. Well, actually, kakatapos na ng training namin. And again, I'm with Dan and Alvi. Alvi, nandun siya. So, syempre, ang clingy namin sa isa't isa. So, nag-decide kami na mag-dinner, no? Merienda / dinner. Kasi
lunch. Kasi hindi tayo kumain.
Yeah, lunch. Para kasi tiniis namin hindi kumain ng lunch dahil sabi namin, ngayon kami gaganap. Okay? And, eto, sa Facebook page ko last time, ano to, in-stories ko to and marami sa inyo yung nagtatanong kung saan yun. Na-curious sila. So, ito yung pupuntahan natin for today's video. So, see you in a bit! I'm back, Glomates. So, malapit na tayo. I'm not sure the exact address, but nandito ko or tapat siya ng 30th Street. Ayan na siya. Ayun na yung pupuntahan natin. Malapit na. So, there you go. Dito tayo sa Baker J. First, ito yung itsura sa labas ng Baker J here in BGC. And by the way, Baker J is a French cuisine. They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even brunch. They have few tables and chairs for outside seating. And then inside, I guess they can accommodate approximately 20 to 30 people max. While Alvi and Dan are thinking kung saan kami uupo, I'm busy doing my thing. Gusto mo yun? So here, they have coffee beans and jams for takeouts. And of course, this is a French cuisine. Di mawawalang iba't ibang klase ng pastries. And for you to experience a little bit of Paris, they have croissant up for grabs. Also, if you're into cakes, they have too. Perfect sa sweet tooth mo. And look, same as last time sa Anli Steak, walang masyadong customers, and finally they decided to sit here sa may paso pa. So order na tayo. This is the menu, and honestly, nung una ko tong nakita, itong restaurant na to, akala ko coffee shop siya, like pastries, coffee, and refreshments lang ang ganap dito. But surprisingly, may rice meals pala sila, but I feel like more on pang breakfast. Of course, meron silang pancakes, waffles, and salad. They do have pasta but served with meat, and unfortunately, if you're into pasta, this is your only option. At the back, andito naman ang mga panulak. They serve coffee, refreshments, cocktail drinks, beer, and wine are also available kung gusto mong mag-one for the road. Wait, i-share ko lang sa inyo. If you don't like the traditional menu board, they do have this. Lakas maka Gen Z. But honestly, mas ma-appreciate mo yung ino-offer nilang food and drinks because I feel like mas bongga yung mga picture dito. The wait is over. Our orders are here. Pork tocino with omelette on the side plus kimchi rice for me. Homemade beef brisket naman for Dan and Alvi, but Dan upgraded the cauliflower rice into kimchi rice. For drinks, we have watermelon splash and raspberry apple sparkler and lemon cake for dessert. Okay, Dan. So, this is the moment. Yes. Moment in time. So, yan. Naubos yung food namin. Ako, konti na lang. And guess what? Si Alvi, this time naubos niya yung food niya, which is so perfect. Okay, so back to you, Dan. What can you say?
What can you say?
Like your overall experience. Kasi first time natin parehas dito.
I think it's worth it naman.
Worth it?
Naubos ko naman yung
food.
Hindi siya yung
hindi siya beef tapa. Beef tapa ba yung name niya? Okay.
Di ba mas salty siya?
Oo.
Hindi siya sobrang
alat. So tama lang sa'yo. And kimchi rice, how was it?
Yun, perfect.
Masarap ng kimchi rice to. Yes, masarap ng kimchi rice. I like the kimchi rice too. And then, siguro yung sa egg, you have an option. Yung sa'yo kasi is, ano no, parang, anong tawag dun sa malasado? In English? In English. Basta yun naglamates, malasado. O hindi na natin pahirapan mo yung sarili natin. But you can ask.
Balik ba ulit tayo sa medium rare?
Kaya nga Pero, you can ask kung ayaw nyo ng malasado. Pwede naman well done.
Kaya po, kailangan mo talaga.
Request, correct. Tapos, trinayin niya yung watermelon splash. And what can you say about it?
Matamis.
Matamis sa liking niya. And also, tinikman ko din kasi, para siyang soda. Yun. Nothing special, pero uubusin. Yung akin is raspberry apple. Ano nga yun? Sparkler. Ito, push to, laban to. Kasi syempre, siya pinakamahal sa lahat ng summer drinks nila. Pero, push to, raspberry apple sparkler. And then, we ordered as well, lemon cake. Lemon round cake. Pero hindi siya round talaga Para siyang rectangle, no? Yeah. If you're into moist cake, I think hindi mo to magugustuhan. Kasi yung texture niya is like para anong tawag doon? Condensed or like siksik-liglig siya. Iba yung texture but it's not too sweet. Ako sa akin, okay sa akin. Masarap siya. Perfect siya sa hot coffee and hot choco. Yung kay Alvin na ubos niya, yung sa kanya pala hindi siya kimchi rice. It's cauliflower rice, no? And did you like it?
Kung ang question is sulit, I'm not sure kasi hindi ko naman siya masyadong naamoy. So, hindi ko alam kung masarap o hindi. And, ang thinking ko kaya ako naubos kasi konti lang
serving. Oh my God, baliktad tayo. Sa akin naman, super duper, nadadamihan ako sa serving. And for me, sa mga ibang restaurant na parang ganito, I think worth it. And affordable kasi it's very subjective, diba? Or subjective talaga siya. So, para sa akin, man, reasonable yung price. And malaki yung servings nila in fairness to the fare. And yung staff, very accommodating, super duper, and yung place, small place, pwede siya sa pag nag-Christmas party kayo, ganon. And if you're into sweets, bread, ano pa ba, croissant, yan. I think yun yung mga specialty nila dito. Yeah, yung croissant, para Paris-Paris ang effect. So that's it, Pancit. If I'm going to recommend, yes. For the experience, yung ambience, okay for me. What else can you add?
Mag-visit na lang sila.
Mag-visit na lang sila para ma-experience. But, i-recommend mo ba to? Perfect! Thank you guys for joining and see you again on my next vlog. Ikaw pa, go push, pahabol. Iba kami ng ton.
kasi limited yung choices sa food. Kaya silang pasta, or siguro hindi lang gusto talaga nila specialization yung pagluto ng pasta.
Yeah, kasi to give you background, si Arvin kasi mahilig sa pasta. In order talaga niya dapat pasta. Kasi yung pasta na available nila dito, meron siyang kasamang meat. So, ano siya, hindi siya nag-push doon.
Which made it really expensive.
Oo, correct. Dahil dun sa meat, naging expensive yung pasta. If you're into other food, very limited lang yung choices nila dito. Reason as to why hindi niya i-recommend. I'm about to close, pero may na-discover si Dan. Nakakatuwa yung straw nila. Oh my God, yan yung straw nila edible pala. So, anong lasa? Matamis?
Parang pasta.
Parang pasta? Ako, hindi matamis. Amazing. So, edible pala siya, guys. Pero hindi siya matamis. Lasang pasta daw, sabi ni Dan. Okay, ako naman yung thoughts ko about it. If you're into pastries, sweets, ganyan, pwede. Yung prices, nag-range siya from 120 up, ganyan. But, hindi ko masasabi kung lahat masarap because I was not able to try them all. Ang na-try ko lang is the lemon round cake. And for me, okay naman siya. Sabi ko kanina, perfect for hot coffee and hot chocolate. Kung gusto nyo lang ng mag-kill ng time, the place is nice, Instagrammable. So, pwede kayong mag-kill ng time dito. Coffee, drinks, and also croissant, yan. And also, kung ayaw nyo naman ng pastries, gusto nyo ng rice, meron naman. Although, as Alvi mentioned, very limited yung choices. So, take note of that kung pupunta kayo dito. And yung prices sa rice, nag-range siya from 400 up. Merong nakita kong almost 1,000 pesos, I think, because that's steak. Yung pancake waffle nila, that's around 400 pesos then. But we haven't tried. Yung summer drinks na try namin, I like yung na-order ko, which is yung raspberry apple sparkler, but not so much with the watermelon splash. Kasi para siyang Sprite for me, and hindi ko malasahan yung watermelon. Yung mint yung nalalasahan ko. But if I'm going to recommend this to my friends, I will recommend still. So that's it, Pansit. Until next time, Blummates. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!